Hi guys, these are our sunflower paper flowers. They made of Italian crepe paper and they have wires at the back of each petal. And today I'm going to show you how you can assemble them if you got them delivered or posted from us and you have to assemble on your own. The process is easy, like 1, 2, 3. And actually our flowers come in 1, 2, and the base in 3 parts. So you, depending on your order, you can get either a single flower base or a base for 3 or 5 flowers. It depends, but anyways, the process is very similar for all of them. But with the single bases, most likely we would recommend you to use weights, and we do not provide them. Very easy, you can get them from Kmart, Big W. These round weight plates, I recommend 5 kilos each at least. You can get them in bulk from online sports shops, especially when they have sales. So I use one 5 kilo plate and I put it right on top of my base with a stick sticking out from the top, and then I mount the stem right on top of it. Leaves, they have wire inside, so you can shape them the way you like, more curvy or facing up. They will keep the shape. And now we need to mount flower head with wires at the back. We do not worry about the flowers, about the petal shape, and it can come from the box squashed like this, or maybe even like this, right? Or like this. If it happens, that's okay. What you do, you take a flower, you can mount it on the stem first. Look at the stem. It has a little bit of paper sticking on top of it. We call it skirt. So you, even this skirt, gently with your fingers, making room for this wooden stick to come in, and actually you just slide it in this way, and now you mount it on a stick of your flower base. And now we see that our flower is all squashed and flattened. So we touch with our hands very gently every single petal and we shape it. Because there's a wire inside, it will keep the shape, so you make it more, so you add more volume, you let some air underneath, you shape them this way, slightly curved, this. No need for sunflowers, there's no need to stretch petals. They are stretched enough for you. They are pre-made, pre-shaped. And now you can also shape the petals of lower row. This way, just with both palms or with just your fingers, and you can separate them, the layers. And this is it. Voila, they're ready. You can add busy bee. Sit here. This is it. What do we do with the bottom? If we use a weight plate on top of our beautifully painted base, you got provided with the fake moss. So you just cover the plate and the base with fake moss. You stretch these threads carefully. This way.